Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company tab for you for parts or repair. Kubota BX2750C front mount snowblower for your BX series tractor. This is going to fit your 50, 60, 70 series tractors. Will fit an 80 with an update kit. So BX1850 is what the Hitch was off of. If you put this blower onto a 2350 or any of the 60 or 70 series, you'll have to buy a longer through shaft for that. That is a BX2751 fast hitch with it. That'll fit all of them tractors. That hitch new today is $750. You can't even get one. This has a good hydraulic rotation on it. That hydraulic rotation kit's like $1,350. So you're buying a hydraulic rotation kit and a hitch if you need it. The snowblower itself would be made usable. These front corners are skied in. You can see that. Shear bolts out. Gearbox we do believe is good. This shear bolt's broke, and so is this one, okay? But there again, if you had one that was totally destroyed where your frame here was broke or something, or your housing's broke, here's good parts and a good hitch. So I'm asking very reasonable money for this. You know, don't ask a gazillion questions. It's pretty well cut and dried. Come in with a tractor. The other half of the hitch is missing, or the other half of the shaft is missing. I do not have it. 814-658-3066. Any questions, give us a call. We're glad to help you. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Have a great day.